Hey, what's up guys, this is Satej. Yesterday Vivo released Vivo Z1 Pro and I have to say it looks compelling to get this phone looking at all the specs it is offering like a punch hole display, 5000 mAh battery, thinner bezels, Snapdragon 712 processor and a triple camera setup, and most important of all, the price at which you get this phone is just amazing. But we are not here to see the pros. In this video we are going to see the cons, because what happens is we hear a lot about all these good things that we miss out on the bad stuff. So I want to tell you what are the cons. After that you can decide whether to buy or not. So let's begin. First, let's start with the build. It's made of plastic body with gradient design. So the phone looks good, but it will get scratched pretty easily. But this is nothing major because we find this in most of the mid-range phones these days. Also, this phone is a bit heavier and weighs 201 grams. So if you have a smaller hand, then this could pose a problem. Further, on the front glass there is no Gorilla Glass protection, and that concerns me a lot as this could get broken very easily. So if you want this phone for gaming, then buy it, but handle with lot of care, get a good case and a screen protector. I don't know why Vivo skipped on this, as other smartphones in this range are coming with protection of Gorilla Glass. Moving on to the next, we have micro USB port. The next con of Vivo Z1 Pro is that it offers micro USB port instead of USB Type-C port. While in this range many smartphones are coming with Type-C port, we are increasingly disappointed to see Vivo continue to stick with micro USB port on its modern phones. Vivo Z1 Pro comes with FunTouch OS. The software on this handset is the FunTouch OS 9 that's based on Android Pie. The new FunTouch OS ushers in some design changes, but we essentially have the same set of complaints, like there is no app drawer and it's heavily iOS inspired, and there is still room for improvements here. Some might not like how it looks, and also there is bloatware present. There is also the rear mounted fingerprint scanner, which is fast but a bit out of reach as the positioning is not correct. So these were few cons which I think you should know. But overall this phone has got you covered in most of the aspects. Mostly if you are a gamer, then this phone is all you want because it has some software optimizations including the hardware which it packs. But it would be great if you wait for a month, as there are few more phones to be launched, which I think will give a good competition to this phone. With that, we are at the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Peace out.
D-Lo.